catching up in action. Hello, YouTubers, huh?
Annual snow fort building, did this last year. I am freezing my fingers off just so that I can record this.
All for you, YouTubers.
Also, to build the fort. And this is how we build it. We have an old plastic toboggan, which we use, and my baby shovel. We use that to shovel snow into the toboggan, and we make a four-walled fort. The trees actually act as corner posts, so we can build like one wall, which we're working on this one, 2, 3, 4, and that's how we finish it off. It's getting a little cold for me, so just hold this with my chin. Can you? No, the camera can see finally. Okay. Better get my gloves on before I freeze.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's go. Terrible for the camera. Not the best. Survivable. Better clean the keys off of the snow. Good. Here's what our fort looks like for now. Yup, pretty pathetic.